Hey guys, it's Brenda Plays XD here, and today in this game I'll be racing actually. Oh, I'm supposed to tilt it. Okay, this is awkward. I don't really know what to do. Here. And let's, please comment down below how to change your character or avatar. Ooh, dang it. No more flips. Oh, dang it. Oh my god. It's a bad intro. Seriously? Okay. Okay. You know what? How can you change your character? That's what I want to know. Oh, right here. You could change it here. Oh, that one. This one. I don't like the other one. Anyways, let's play with this one because I feel better with this one actually. Whoa, that was so close. But not that close, but you get that close how I got. Really? Okay. Oh, okay. So it's like I'm such a noob. I don't know how to do this. I can't make it. Okay, let's see the menu. Okay. I got this. I don't know why it's so hard. It looks so easy, but it isn't. If you guys like hear screaming, it's from the background. Ooh. Speaking of the background, say hi, Jonathan.
Hi.
Finally. No thanks. Anyways, let's keep going. Spin, stop. 40. Couldn't have got 50. No, okay. Oh. Good. Okay. Oh no, that was so close. Okay, come on. Yes, no. No. Okay, nope. Okay, you know what? Die. Okay, then. Die. It's okay. Die. You can die. It's okay. Dying is normal. No. But first... Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh god, that was so close. No! Okay. Yes! Got it. No? That was not fair at all. Technically. I just played that for nothing. Like that. Come on. Okie dokie. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. What? No. Forget it. I'm going all on in. Going. This time I'm actually going. I'm just gonna go. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and like this video. Bye-bye.